Wagwan raw fam. So I have a box of fruits that I just received, and I'm going to do a little unboxing. It's not a lot of stuff, but I just want to do an unboxing and show you what I got. Right? Alright. I'm going to get up for that one here. That one right here. Alright. So the first thing is melon. Alright. Alright, what other goodie in here? Alright, some bags of cane. Alright, 4 bags of cane. Okay. Not bad. Alright, I got a little bag of plum. I have some plums. Alright, I'll put that there. Coconut. Alright, let's see how many coconuts. 2. Alright. 3. And I'm seeing another one. 4. Another one. 4. Alright, and I'm seeing, I love grapefruits. I'm seeing 3 grapefruits. So yes, this is what it's looking like. And one last thing that I am seeing is pineapple. So let me put the pineapple right here. Alright. Put it right here. So this is what I got in the box. 4 coconuts, 3 grapefruits, 1 melon, 1 pineapple, 4 bag of cane, and a bag of plum. Thanks again for watching. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, and make use of the links in the description section. Yeah man, some links are there, whether it is you want to sign up for the next 21 days raw challenge, or you want to buy my 21 days raw planner, or you want to get some stuff from my Raw Boss Amazon store. Just check out the links in the description section. Thank you Raw fam for your support, and see you in another video. Raw love.